Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine. Students, we are going to learn story writing today and our story's topic is Two Friends and the Bear. Students, think for a while that why do we write stories or why do we learn stories or why do we read stories? What do you think? What is the purpose of doing that? Students, it can be vary. There are lots of reasons of story writing and story reading as well. But here for a student, as concerns of a student, we read stories and we write stories for the purpose of amusement. Yani we get amused after that. We enjoy reading or writing stories. And the other purpose of story writing is that we came to know about some specific event through the story. We get you can say a moral lesson. We learn a moral lesson through the story or the events that are described in the story. So according to this definition that we learn through story or the events that are described in story, stories are two types. Stories are of two types. Stories may be imaginary or fictional, or they can be real or factual. How many types of stories are there? Factual or fictional, yani real or imaginary. So this story is having moral as all stories are having, and the moral is a friend in need is a friend indeed. You might have heard the moral or this phrase many times, and we are going to learn about this moral today through an event that will be described in the story. What is the meaning of this phrase, a friend in need is a friend indeed? This means that a friend who helps you when you really need him is a true friend of yours. Students, this is a phrase that describes the most important characteristic of a true friend. You can say this is a kind of criteria for you to choose a friend for yourself. Okay, let's proceed the story. As you have seen the topic, two friends and the bear, it means two characters of two friends are the part of this story. Adil and Salman were friends. On holidays, they went to see a forest. They were enjoying the beauty of nature. Suddenly, they saw a bear coming towards them. They were frightened, obviously. Adil, who knew climbing trees, ran up to a tree and climbed up quickly. He didn't think of Salman. And Salman, on the other hand, thought for a second. He had heard that animals don't prefer dead bodies. He fell to the ground and held his breath. The bear sniffed him and thought he was dead. So he went away. Adil came down and asked Salman, "What did the bear whisper in your ear?" And Salman replied, "The bear asked me to keep away from friends like you," and went on his way. Students, what happened in the story? That one of the friend know how to climb up the tree and the other didn't know what to do. So the one who climbed up the tree was the selfish one who didn't think for a moment about the other friend. So he was a selfish being and he didn't thought about his friend. And the other friend, on the other hand, he had heard that animals do not eat dead bodies. So he fell down and he held his breath for a while. So the bear came there, he sniffed him and he thought that he was dead. So he didn't ate him up, he didn't harm him any way. So when the other friend who was on the tree, he came back and he asked, "What did the bear ask in your ear?" And he said, "The bear asked me to keep away from friends like you." So the moral is a friend in need is a friend indeed. I hope you have understood the basic concept of this phrase and you have enjoyed the story as well. This is all about today's class. See you in next class, inshallah. Stay blessed and goodbye.